In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in Google Calendar. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a reminder that pops up at the right time, on the right day, and repeats on the schedule you want. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want the reminder to live. You should see your regular calendar view with days, times, and any events you already have. Next, find the day you want to set the reminder for. Click directly on that day at roughly the time you want the reminder. This will open a small pop-up window where you can choose what type of entry you're creating. In that pop-up, look for the option labeled Task and click it. In Google Calendar, tasks work really well as reminders because they show up on your calendar and can also appear in Google Tasks. Now, click into the title field and type a clear, short title for your reminder. For example, pay electricity bill or team check-in call. A good title makes it easy to recognize what you need to do at a glance. Under the title, you'll see the date and time, and just below that, it will say something like, does not repeat. Click on that first line with the date and time so you can adjust when the reminder will go off. Then click on the does not repeat dropdown. This controls how often the reminder comes back. A menu will appear with several options. Here, choose the schedule that fits your reminder. You can set it to repeat daily, weekly on a specific day, monthly on a certain occurrence, annually on a specific date, every weekday from Monday to Friday, or you can set a custom schedule. Pick the option that matches how often you want this reminder. Next, click into the date field to choose the exact date. A small calendar will appear. Select the day you want. After that, click into the time field and type the time you want the reminder to trigger, such as 9 o'clock a.m. or 4:30 p.m. You'll also see a description field. Click into this and add any extra details that will help you when the reminder appears, like notes, links, or instructions for yourself. When you're happy with everything, click on Save. Your new reminder task will now appear on your Google Calendar at the date and time you selected.